One of the most challenging situations many employers and employees are facing is extended absences due to health conditions that create an increased risk of severe illness from the COVID virus. The CDC recently updated its list of such conditions to include the following: cancer, COPD, autoimmune deficiencies, heart disease, sickle cell disease, obesity, smoking, and type 2 diabetes, to name a few. Individuals who suffer from these conditions may be unable to safely return to the workplace until a vaccine becomes available. In some circumstances, even the most supportive employer will feel compelled to terminate an individual's employment because their absences are causing too much hardship on the business. In these situations, employers must consider their obligations under the Americans with Disabilities Act. The ADA obligates employers to provide a reasonable accommodation to an employee who has either a mental or physical impairment, where the accommodation will allow the employee to perform the essential functions of their job, provided the accommodation does not create an undue hardship. The courts have uniformly recognized that an unpaid leave of absence can be a reasonable accommodation. What is often debated, however, is whether a leave of absence is too long and creates an undue hardship. The 11th Circuit Court of Appeals recently held that a bus driver's request for 9 weeks of additional leave beyond the leave they took under the Family Medical Leave Act was too long and created an undue hardship on the employer. In reaching its decision, the court considered the impact the absence was having on both the employer and the individual's coworkers. Although the case did not deal directly with COVID, its analysis and conclusion is instructive. It is important to remember, however, that in analyzing the ADA, you must consider your situation on the specific facts involved. ADA cases are analyzed on a case-by-case basis. For more information on this topic, you can visit my blog at www.bfelaw.com. And as always, please contact me if you have any questions.